Hello students, today we are going to discuss about in simple random sampling without replacement, variance of sample mean is equal to variance of y bar of n is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by capital N s square. You can write it as cross multiply it will become this one. So this is the question. So now we are going to do the proof of it. For proof, we have, if it is a variance of x, v of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. We do in first sem we have done, no? Now if it is variance of y bar of n, then how you will write? Expectation of y bar of n square minus expectation of y bar of n whole square, right? Then you just write one expectation of y bar of n square just like that, minus, you can elaborate, make it as y bar of n square, because sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. The expectation of y bar n is equal to capital Y bar of n. So then because it is square here, we are writing square here. Then now we are going to prove actually this one, okay? Just remember expectation of this one. So here what I will take for this first one, okay? Equation 1, just remember I am taking the first one. It is y bar of n whole square. We can write it as expectation of 1 by n summation of yi whole square. We can put this n outside, it will become n square because it is square. Expectation of summation of yi. Now what I will do, I will remove this small yi square. Now what is the formula of summation of yi square? We can write it as 1 by n square of expectation of, we can write it as summation of yi square plus double summation of yi yj. We have done so many theorems based like something like this. You should know till now. This whole square is nothing but this and this. Now what I will do, I will convert the small y's to a's, to capital yi's. So to make it capital yi, we will put a's. So 1 by small n. You will understand it more clearly if you watch my previous videos. Summation of ai. Now I can make it capital yi square plus summation. If I want to convert yi, I am writing ai. If I want to convert yi and yj, I will write ai and aj with capital yi, capital yj. Now we will write 1 by n square of expectation of, I will write ai yi square. Here I will put summation. Then plus 1 by n square summation expectation of ai, aj and yi, yj, because it is capital yi and capital yj. Now 1 by n square, I will just write it summation of, to remove y expectation of ai, it is n by capital N yi square plus 1 by n square, to remove ai and aj, I will just put summation n into n minus 1 ai aj, then capital N into capital N minus 1 with yi and yj. Then after this, you can cancel this one with this and this one with this. So you got it 1 by capital N small n of yi square plus 1 by capital N small n and this n minus 1 by capital N minus 1 y summation of yi yj. You understood till here, I am sure. Then now just remember this one, Now after this is what? Expectation of y bar of n whole square, right? Expectation which we have taken from here, then we have done all this. Now this one also you need to remember, it is equation 2. Okay, now first what I will do, I'm you know the formula, sample mean square. S square is equal to what? S square is equal to 1 by capital N minus 1 into summation of yi minus y bar whole square. If we cross multiply this, it will be capital N minus 1 of S square is equal to summation of yi minus y bar whole square. If we write this like this, and what is summation yi minus y bar? What is summation yi minus y bar whole square is equal to? It is summation of yi square minus y capital N y bar n square. This is all. Because we are doing capital S square, it will be, this all will be capital Y's only, students. Okay, this will be capital Y's only. If it is capital S, capital Y. If it is small s, small y's. This is all capital Y's only, and capital N, capital N. So all capital letters I mean to say. So now for this one, this is equal to this, no? So that means in place of this one, I will write this. That means I am writing n minus 1 of s square is equal to this one, summation of yi square minus n y bar of n square. Okay, this one I am writing. So now after this, what I will do, I will write summation of y I square is equal to capital N minus 1 into s square plus n y bar of n square. That means I am just keeping this just this side, I am getting this side, it will become positive. So here it is summation yi square is equal to this one. Understood? Then the next thing we are going to see is, because what I am doing, I am getting this summation yi square value. Now I will get summation y. This value I got, it's summation, I did not write summation yi square. This will be just like that, and this value I am getting. Now I will get this value. So for that, what I will do, summation of yi yj. The formula for summation of yi yj is summation of yi whole square minus summation of yi square. Just see my previous lectures, you will remember all these formulas. Then after this, for you can multiply n square and divide n square. If I divide here, it will be n, because it is square, no? N square, if it gets cancelled, it will be that only. So I am writing n square y bar of n square, because it is capital N, minus of what I am doing, I am putting this value, this one. So I am writing n minus 1 of s square plus n into y bar of n square. Then after this, I will write n square of y bar of n square minus n minus 1 of s square. I am writing this minus n into y bar of n square. Then after this, I can write it in the form y bar of n square into n square minus n. I am writing this, making this n common, then minus n minus 1 into s square. Then after this I can write n into n minus 1, no, n square. I can take it common, y bar of n square of n into n minus 1 minus the same I am writing n minus 1 of s square. After this, now I am going to substitute this yi and yj, capital Yi, capital Yj over here. This here in this place, and I will substitute this value, and in this place I will substitute this value. Okay, so it will be expectation of y bar of n whole square is equal to 1 by capital N small n into n minus s square, n minus 1 into square plus n into y bar of n square plus what I am having, n minus 1 by capital N minus 1 of n, this one, n minus 1, capital N minus 1. I am writing it here with this value, n into n minus 1 of y bar of n square minus of capital N minus 1 of s square. Now if we calculate this, we will get the value, this value as 1 by capital N small n into capital N minus small n into s square plus small n capital N into y bar of n square. Okay, now after getting this value, this value is for expectation of y bar of n whole square. If you calculate it, you will get this value. This value is actually this value, right? Now you have to put minus a y bar of n square, then you will get this value. So what I am doing, I will write here minus y bar of n square. Okay, I can get here what is the value I can get here. I will get here capital N minus small n by capital N small n into s square plus it is small n and capital N by capital N small n into y bar of n square minus y bar of n square. This and this will get cancelled, and minus, plus and minus will get cancelled. You will be left with capital N minus small n by capital N small n into s square, which is nothing but variance of y bar of n. Right? This is what we had to prove. Thank you for listening to my lecture.